Imagine chimpanzees getting their daily buzz from eating ripe fruit, packing as much alcohol as a bottle of lager. This isn't just a quirky fact. It's a revelation that could rewrite how we think about humans' love affair with alcohol. But here's where it gets controversial. Could our craving for alcoholic drinks actually stem from an ancient evolutionary legacy shared with our primate cousins? Recent scientific research suggests exactly that. Wild chimpanzees in places like Côte d'Ivoire and Uganda have been observed consuming fermented, ripened fruits that contain natural alcohol. According to Alexi Morrow from the University of California, Berkeley, these chimps ingest an average amount of alcohol equivalent to about 14 grams of pure ethanol daily. To put that into perspective, this is roughly the same amount of alcohol found in a standard 330 milliliter bottle of lager. What's fascinating is that chimpanzees seem to prefer fruits with the highest alcohol content, such as figs and plums, indicating an instinctive attraction to ethanol-rich food sources. This discovery provides tangible support for the drunken monkey hypothesis, a theory first advanced by Professor Robert Dudley, also of Berkeley, who argues that humans inherited their taste for alcohol from common ancestors who subsisted on fermented fruit. Think about it. Millions of years ago, our early ancestors might have been regularly exposed to low levels of natural alcohol in their diets, shaping our modern inclinations. Skeptics once doubted this idea, but more frequent reports of wild apes scrumping or stealing fruit left to ferment on the forest floor have turned the tide in favor of this theory. As Catherine Hobater, a primatologist at the University of St. Andrews not involved with the study, puts it, our connection with alcohol stretches back approximately 30 million years, deep into evolutionary history. She adds that for chimpanzees, sharing these naturally fermented fruits could serve an important social function, strengthening bonds within groups as they relax together on the forest floor. However, it's crucial to note that these chimpanzees are not actually becoming intoxicated. Dr. Kimberly Hawkins from the University of Exeter highlights that the amount of alcohol consumed is too low to impair them, a critical survival factor. If they did get drunk often, their chances in the wild would likely plummet. But this brings up another question. How do we interpret our own complex relationship with alcohol today, knowing it may have roots deep in evolutionary history? Is our enjoyment of alcoholic beverages a harmless cultural custom, or a biological inheritance with consequences we've barely begun to grasp? Meanwhile, the conservation status of chimpanzees adds another layer to this discussion. According to the International Union for the Conservation of Nature, IUCN, chimpanzees are endangered, facing grave threats from habitat destruction caused by farming, logging, and expanding infrastructure. This delicate balance between their natural behaviors and survival poses serious challenges. The full details of the study had been published in the journal Science Advances, opening more doors for debate and exploration into the origins of alcohol consumption, both in chimpanzees and humans alike. So, what do you think? Could our penchant for alcohol truly be an inherited trait from our primate ancestors, or are there other factors at play? Do you find the drunken monkey hypothesis convincing, or does it raise more questions than answers about human behavior and evolution? Share your thoughts and let the conversation flow.